Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Students, in this video, we are going to discuss the content present in the cytoplasm of the cell. We called it as the cell organelles, which are helpful in performing the various kinds of activities of the cell. The one of the most important cell organelle is the endoplasmic reticulum we are going to discuss here, related to the chapter Fundamental Unit of Life. Endoplasmic reticulum was first reported by the scientist Porter in 1945. What are the endoplasmic reticulum? As the name indicate, endoplasmic means that is something present inside the cytoplasm, and reticulum means network. So what is endoplasmic reticulum? It is the network of tubules that are present inside the cytoplasm. Network of sac-like structure or tubules which are present inside the cytoplasm. We called it as endoplasmic reticulum. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. I drawn here, that is the tube-like structure. These are the tube-like structure present in the form of network. All these are interconnected, forms a network. We called it as endoplasmic reticulum. We named it as cisternae. Tube-like structure which are forming the endoplasmic reticulum, we named it as cisternae. Cisternae are the tube-like structure. All the tube-like structure are interconnected. The space present inside this tube-like structure is known as the lumen. Lumen is the internal space of the cisternae. We called it as lumen or cavity. Now we talk about the composition of the endoplasmic reticulum. They are made up of protein and lipid. All the membranes, they are made up of protein and lipid. We already discussed in cell membrane. Now we talk about the types of the endoplasmic reticulum. They are of two types: smooth endoplasmic reticulum and rough endoplasmic reticulum. This is the structure of rough endoplasmic reticulum. We called it as rough because it consists on its outer surface the ribosomes. Ribosomes are present on the outer surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, gives it rough appearance. So we called it as rough endoplasmic reticulum. And the endoplasmic reticulum whose surface is smooth, on which no ribosomes are attached, we called it as smooth endoplasmic रेटिकुलम. तो दो तरह के एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम है, स्मूथ और रफ. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जिनकी सरफेस पर कोई राइबोसोम अटैच नहीं होता है, एंड रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम जिनकी सरफेस पर राइबोसोम अटैच्ड है. हम उसको रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कहते हैं. नाउ वी टॉक अबाउट द फंक्शन ऑफ दीज रफ एंड स्मूथ टाइप ऑफ endoplasmic reticulum. First we will discuss the function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. They are involved in the lipid synthesis, phospholipid synthesis and cholesterol synthesis. Phospholipids and cholesterol molecules are present in the cell membrane. Lipid and protein, we also discuss lipid and protein present in the cell membrane. Along with lipid and protein, phospholipids and cholesterol are also the part of the cell membrane, which are synthesized by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Other important function performed by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum, the detoxification of the drugs or poison. If any drugs or poison is present in our body, they are detoxify. They make it poisonless. The work is performed inside the liver cell. How they perform this function? By adding the OH or hydroxyl into the chemical structure of drugs or poison. By adding hydroxyl, they make it water soluble, and along with water they release outside the body. So they help in detoxification of drugs or poison by adding hydroxyl in them, make it water soluble, which are easily to remove along with water. The next important function of smooth endoplasmic reticulum, that is storage of calcium ions. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम में कैल्शियम आयंस स्टोर रहते हैं. कैल्शियम आयंस का बॉडी में क्या फंक्शन है? एट द टाइम ऑफ मूवमेंट देयर इज कॉन्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ मसल टेक्स प्लेस, and in the process of contraction and relaxation of muscle, calcium ions are needed. So calcium ions remain stored into the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Next, another important function, that is production of hormones. In our body, steroid hormones are produced, sex hormones are produced, which are steroid. So smooth endoplasmic reticulum help in the production of these hormones. Next type of endoplasmic reticulum is rough endoplasmic reticulum. We called it as rough because ribosomes are found attached with the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum की सरफेस पर ribosomes present होते हैं जो इसको rough appearance देते हैं, इसलिए हम इसको rough endoplasmic reticulum कहते हैं. And the ribosomes are the protein factory of the cell. They help in synthesis of the protein. So rough endoplasmic reticulum also help in synthesis of protein due to the presence of ribosomes on its surface. Mostly the protein synthesized by rough endoplasmic reticulum is the membranous protein, which is involved in the synthesis of the membrane. As we already discussed, protein and lipid constitutes the membranes. Next important function performed by the endoplasmic reticulum, they serve as a channel for the transport of material, especially protein synthesized by endoplasmic reticulum. They transport it to the site where it is required. If it is required in the formation of the membrane, then the protein transport takes place at the site of membrane synthesis and it is utilized there. Otherwise, some other places where protein is required, endoplasmic reticulum help in the transport of these protein. This is the structure of endoplasmic reticulum. This is the long tubular structure. We called it as cisternae. On the other side, I formed a sac-like structure which we named it as vesicles. This vesicles helps in the transport of protein which is synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum. एक बार क्विक सम अप लेते हैं कि क्या हमने यहाँ पर पढ़ा है. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम को सबसे पहले पॉर्टर ने 1945 में रिपोर्ट किया था. एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम is the tube-like channel. It is the network of tube-like channel. These tube-like channels we called it as cisternae. They are of two types, rough endoplasmic reticulum and smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic रेटिकुलम के सरफेस पर राइबोसोम अटैच्ड है जो इसको रफ अपीयरेंस देते हैं और हम इसको रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम कहते हैं. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम की सरफेस पर राइबोसोम्स आर एब्सेंट, राइबोसोम प्रेजेंट नहीं होते. कंपोजिशन क्या है एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का? दे आर मेड अप ऑफ प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड्स. प्रोटीन एंड लिपिड्स मिलकर मेम्ब्रेन्स को बनाते हैं. तो एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम प्रोटीन और लिपिड्स के बने होते हैं. क्या इनका फंक्शन है? स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम का फंक्शन है लिपिड, फॉस्फोलिपिड और कोलेस्ट्रॉल की सिंथेसिस में रोल प्ले करना और ये सब मटेरियल सेल मेम्ब्रेन के कंपोजिशन में यूज होता है. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फंक्शन ऑफ स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, डिटॉक्सिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग्स और पॉइजन बाय एडिंग हाइड्रोक्सिल आयन in them which make it water soluble and easy to remove from the body. Storage of calcium ion which help in the muscle contraction process. Production of steroid hormones. So these are the important function performed by the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Function of rough endoplasmic reticulum, they help in the synthesis of protein, and this important function it is due to the presence of the ribosome. Normally they produce the protein which is utilized in the membrane synthesis. Another important function of endoplasmic reticulum, the protein is synthesized by the endoplasmic reticulum and they also serve as a channel for transport of that protein to the site where it is required. This is all about endoplasmic reticulum. In our next video we will discuss Golgi bodies.